little bit tight.
Deputy, looking good and looking nice. Deputy,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
deputy,
Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that their beauty is only specialized in makeup and hair, now let me shock you. We in that beauty studio, we are also specialized in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust your dada. Hey, we also train people for makeups, Gele time, and a lot more. Just call on Deck Beauty and she'll be right there with you. She travels worldwide, international connection. She's there, always available. Papa foba ugo, ọba terere. Kárí ayé.
everybody look, see what the Lord has done.
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 We love you. All the Deck Beauty fans in the world. Deck Beauty is sending bunch of love to you all. Receive love, receive beauty. Ragamuffin.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Deputy,
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
deputy, looking good and looking nice. Deputy,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
deputy, anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Deputy,
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
deputy, looking good and looking nice. Deputy,
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, Deck Beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Oh, Samudia me, oh, I say no me yemu me, oh I, Jesu do ke mudia ni me fo, oh mudia no ma ayete, megide, no Samudia na o,
every day,
oh I, no Samudia na o,
every day.
no Samudia na o, no Samudia na o,
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Deputy,
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
deputy, looking good and looking nice. Deputy,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
deputy, anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Deputy,
In case you need your Gele to be tight.